Hey, you good?
Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville Ontario, Canada, here today with my tech Iain.
Hi everybody.
Today we are working on a beautiful 2014 Infiniti QX60. Is that correct?
Yep.
This vehicle is brand new to one of our customers, longtime customers, who understands the importance of maintenance. They keep their vehicles long time. They have a few vehicles in their family. This is the newest one to it. And what are we doing today, Iain?
We're doing some fluid maintenance for the customer because he's just bought this vehicle. He does not know the history of the vehicle, and the dealership that sold it to him wasn't able to provide service records on all of the fluids that are vital fluids in the vehicle's operation. So today we're doing a cooling system service with this machine here. These hoses hook up to the coolant and exchange the coolant. We're also doing a front and rear differential and transfer case service. We're doing a brake fluid exchange, and we're also changing the oil for him because he wants good fresh oil in his new to him vehicle. We've determined by inspection that all these fluids were dirty and needed to be changed. So without knowing the history with the condition that they're in, it's very important that we get everything fresh so that he can keep this vehicle for as long as possible.
And this particular vehicle has a CVT transmission.
That's right.
Which is continually variable transmission?
Yep, that's similar to how a snowmobile operates. The pulleys, or gears in this case, expand and contract based on the demands of power, performance, and speed.
And it's very important to keep this fluid fresh
for
obvious reasons for cleaning and lubrication of the transmission. So, well done to this customer for maintaining this vehicle right out of the gate. He wants a reliable vehicle, going to be keeping it a long time, and that's what you need to do. Today's vehicles require the service maintenance schedule provided by the manufacturer, and we do that here at Urban Auto.
And that's why we call them vital fluids.
Urban Automotive, safety first.